Hello, it's Ken here from smartforexeducation.com, 11th of June 2013, daily review gold. This is on a daily time frame. Basically what we've seen is from the previous review that we did of gold, we had stated prior to the jobs report that came out on Friday, we had stated the market had tested and broke through a previous high. It failed to close above this previous high, and then we saw the news that came out was pretty good. Not amazing jobs data, but it shows some signs that the US market is recovering. So what's actually happened is you've seen that people are taking money out, closing their long gold positions and putting their money into more risk adverse assets. So you can see that gold has taken a bit of a drop, sell off to the downside, which decreased by about $40. And yesterday it more or less recovered slightly by about $10. Nothing extreme attractive for that. More short covering for potential traders are looking for a continuation move to the downside in this trade. So the two main things that are occurring right now from the fundamental point of view is, number one, the situation regarding the whole Federal Reserve and the bond purchases, the potential look at tapering off effect that may commence in this autumn. Also, we're hearing news over the last week or so with the protests that seems to be escalating in Turkey currently at the moment, and this could be a flight to safety, but at the moment gold is still selling off. So it seems that the market's generally focused on the longer macro fundamental news, and then we'll see moves. So target technical wise target for price, just take a trend line here from a previous low up to this low here, and then we have, let's just see what we're looking at here. Targets will be around $1,346 an ounce, which is generally about $26, $27 away from this current price. That could be a target in the from the daily perspective for the hedge funds, mutual funds, institutions, commercials. They'll be looking at this for a target. If the price can test there, we may see it might try and hold in around this range for a while before potential continuation in the test around the $1,321 an ounce. And this really has been ejected based on the bearish divergence that occurred on a daily time frame, which, if I just show you here, got higher high here in price, and then we've got lower high here. This is a clear indication that we're seeing a rollover effect occurring, and a similar rollover effect occurred here. We saw a base from about 1,483 all the way down to about 1,338. So about $150 sell-off based on this previous bearish divergence. I'm not saying that we're going to see another $150 move, but what I am saying, look for the targets here at the $1,348 area, which is generally around about $20-25 an ounce off this price, and then we'll reassess the situation.